All right, here's what I'm doing. I have several boxes, totes, full of Thomas trains. So I'm trying to fill boxes. You know, none of these parts or engines are working. They are only for parts and not working for spare parts replacement. If someone is interested, I'm gonna say it over and over. Check the link in the description. These are on my eBay. Look at these battery terminals. These are good. Um, yeah, we're trying to. This is filthy. I'm not gonna clean. I will not have time. I might spend weeks cleaning everything, so I might not have time. But if you need some spare parts, link in the description. eBay. Here is what is this? Hitoy Company James. I haven't had a chance to check this. I have several boxes, guys. So many boxes. There are, you know, they need an repair, but you have this as a spare parts. Yeah, I will no longer have time to clean. I have so many boxes untested. I don't know if this is working. Broken coupler. I mean, there are so many things. Yeah, I'm putting this for like a junk part. I don't remember if this one worked. I have no idea. I'm trying a fresh battery, but it seems to not work. Maybe you give 5 volts and it might work. Talking Percy, untested. I have no idea. Trying fresh batteries too. It doesn't seem to work at all. So it's not talking, not working. Checking Talking James seems to be battery covers. I mean battery terminal seems to look okay. Look, I put some fresh batteries and it's running. I don't think it might talk or not. I see that's where this is for the speaker. I don't think it's never gonna talk, but it seems that it's running. I guess it needs fresh motor because it's noisy. Spare part for, I think this is for Neville. I don't know. You know, I used to do a lot of look, this one, it's a company. I don't guarantee this is going to work, you know. I think I seen a tender somewhere. These are for Gordon. They might break. They are tail old, but the battery terminals are good. That one looks okay. This one is good. That one doesn't look good. That one, it's okay. Good. This one for Edward. Obviously, they will break very easily, but you can use the spare parts on the battery terminals. You might see some loose parts somewhere. Now I gotta make sure. I'm gonna add this. I need to fill up this box. Make sure the box is full. You know, yeah. That box is full.